Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna talk about Tecno Spark 6 Go smartphone that have recently launched in Indian market. But before who are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Leo and you're watching Leo Infos. We review latest gadget from the popular brands that may help you decide whether you should buy the gadget or not. Getting back to the Tecno Spark 6 Go smartphone, let's talk about its appearance and looks wise. The smartphone got a very beautiful water drop notch display with a front camera in the notch, and bezel-less display is provided, and the very little chin you can see in this smartphone. They have provided volume plus and volume minus button on the right side of the screen and the power off and on button below of the volume buttons. They have not provided any Google Assistant button or any gesture button on the opposite side of the volume and power buttons. So that's all about the front side of the screen. And getting back to the back panel of the smartphone. The smartphone comes with, you can see that, double camera setup with a flash LED light and a fingerprint sensor along with the cameras. Any other features they have not provided. We can see that they have provided speakers on the back side and branding of Tecno Sparks written over there in the back panel. So getting to the general specifications of the smartphone, we can see that the launch date of the smartphone is December 23rd, 2020, which is officially in the Indian market, and the brand is Tecno. The model number is Spark 6 Go. The smartphone runs on the Android version 10, which is latest in this price range, and the short form of Android version 10 is Q. The smartphone have dual SIM slot with the GSM plus GSM supported. Both the SIM has nano technology supported, SIM 1 and SIM 2. The network the smartphone supports are 4G, 3G and 2G also. The 4G supports all Indian bands. So you can use your Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, any SIM card in this smartphone. Fingerprint sensor is also provided in this smartphone. So overall, the general specification, the highlighted features are the phone runs on the latest Android version 10, and both SIM slot are nano technology, runs on 4G, 3G and 2G networks. So you can decide whether you should buy it or not. Getting to the design of the smartphone, the height of the smartphone is 165.6 mm, the width is 76.3 mm, the thickness is 9.1 mm, the weight of the smartphone is up to 193 grams. The color variants come with this smartphone are mystery white, ice jade and aqua blue. There are three color variants, you can say that. Highlighter feature is the thickness is average and the weight is also average in this price range. That makes a phone very attractive in design wise. Getting to the display side of the smartphone, we can see that the screen size of the smartphone is 6.52 inches, which is 16.56 centimeters. The resolution of the display is 720 into 1600 pixel, which is HD display they have provided, and the expected ratio of screen to body ratio is 20:9. So the phone comes in a very attractive looks. Bezel-less display they have provided, and that's also with a water drop notch. Pixel density of the screen is 269 ppi pixels. The display type is TFT display. They have not provided you with the IPS display. That keep you in your mind. Touch screen they have provided, whose features are multi-touch display with a capacitive touch screen. Screen to body ratio is 81.23%. That's all about the display of the smartphone. The highlighter features are the screen resolution is 720 into 1600 pixel, which is a HD resolution, and they have provided a water drop notch display. But the negative point is the display is TFT, which is not a good thing in this. The technology has developed on that far that they can provide an IPS display at this range. So that's all about display. Getting to the performance side of the smartphone, the chipset they have provided in this range is MediaTek Helio A25 chipset. So keep that the main thing in your mind, that this is not a gaming smartphone, as they have provided Helio A25. This phone you can do your daily uh, daily work in this chipset. The processor they have provided with the features of octa-core processor, that comprising of clock speed of number 1 1.8 GHz with quad-core processor Cortex A53. The second is 1.5 GHz of clock speed with the quad-core and Cortex also A53. The octa-core comprises of two quad-core processors. The architecture, the processor or the hardware runs in 64-bit. So all the apps that run on this smartphone will be 64-bit of graphics. They have provided our PowerVR GE8320 of graphics. That means you can play the light gaming, not a very high end gaming, which are PUBG and other COD etc. You can't play with the lag free experience, but you can also play the low gaming experience in this smartphone. RAM they have provided is 4 GB. It means that you can do all of your multitask functions in this smartphone. So overall the performance of the smartphone is average, which means that you can do your daily routine work, the office work and the other features, but you can't play gaming in this smartphone with a high end settings. So that's all about the performance side of the smartphone. Getting to the storage side of the smartphone, the internal memory of the smartphone is they have provided 64 of GB. You can store all your photos, your videos, and your other documents, and store your other apps data in this smartphone with the storage capacity of 64 GBs. If you feel that 64 GB is less for you, you can also expand the memory up to 512 of GBs. The phone also supports USB OTG, which means that you can attach your pen drive and other storage devices via your USB port in this smartphone. So that's all about the storage side of the Tecno Spark 6 Go. Let's move to the another side of the smartphone, which is camera. The main focus is main cameras. So camera setup is single. Yes, they have provided a single camera with the resolution of 13 MP primary camera. The autofocus feature is there. The flash is also provided, which we have seen in the pictures of the smartphone, which is dual LED flash. LED flash are dual, but the camera setup is single. They have provided a single camera with the dual LED flash. The image resolution is 4128 into 3096 pixel, which is HD images you can record in this camera. Settings they have provided with the camera are exposure compensation with ISO control. Shooting modes are continuous shooting with high dynamic range, which is HDR mode. The two modes they have provided to shoot your videos and pictures. Camera features, the other camera features are digital zoom, autofocus, face detection and touch to focus. So you can use all these features with your main camera in this smartphone. So that's all about the camera. The overall my opinion is they should provide more than single camera feature with this Tecno smartphone, because nowadays everyone needs multi camera supports in their smartphones. That's all about the main camera. Getting to the front camera of the smartphone, the camera setup is also single in the front side, but the resolution is 8 MP primary camera. The 13 MP camera is provided in the main camera and 8 MP camera is provided with the front camera. You can record your selfie with the 8 MP camera. Flashlight they have also provided in the front side of the smartphone, which is LED flash. So that's all about the front camera. You can record average selfies in this smartphone. Getting to the battery side of the smartphone, we can see that they have provided a large battery, which is 5000 mAh of batteries in this with this smartphone. The type of the battery is Li-ion technology base, and the user can't replace the battery by its own. It is inbuilt battery. If you have any issues with your battery, you can send your phone to the service center and they will replace your battery at their workshop. The battery port is not provided with the type C function. That means they will provide you with the micro USB cable with this charger. That's all about the battery side. Overall opinion of me, the battery they have provided is enough that you can use your phone up to a 24 hours period. That means a 1 day of full battery use. Getting to the network and connectivity side of the smartphone, we can see that the SIM size are nano. Both the network ports are 4G and it supports all Indian bands with 4G, 3G and 2G sports. VoLTE means voice over LTE is also supported in this smartphone. The SIM1 categories and the functions are 4G bands, which you can see the features of them. SIM2 also have 4G bands. The functionality of 4G bands are provided on the screen. You can see that. SAR value. Talking about the SAR value of the smartphone, the head is 1.233 watt per kg and the body is 0.493 watt per kg. Talking about the Wi-Fi side of the smartphone, the Wi-Fi supports with the version of 802.11 and the Wi-Fi features are mobile hotspot. It means that with your network connectivity you can use your mobile hotspot and provide network to your other devices in your household or to your friends. Bluetooth is also provided with this smartphone with the version of 4.2, which is a plus point, and the GPS with the two technologies they have used, AGPS and GLONASS technology. Two technologies they used with the GPS accuracy. NFC is not provided with this, and the USB connectivity options they have provided is mass storage device with the USB charging and micro USB 2.0. That's all about the connectivity of the smartphone. From my opinion, the phone is a 4G supporter with all 4G bands of the Indian bands. Wi-Fi features is mobile hotspot with the Bluetooth of version 4.0. You can consider buying this as this is a 4G supporter phone which gives you a very decent speed in your internet. Talking about other multimedia functions, the phone provided you with the loudspeaker with the audio jack of 3.5 mm. It means that you can attach your headphones in this smartphone with the pin of 3.5 mm. And the special features and other features of the smartphones are, it provides you with the fingerprint sensor which we have seen they have provided at the back side of the smartphone. The fingerprint sensor position is rare and the other sensors are light sensor, proximity sensor and accelerometer. There are three sensors they have provided in this smartphone. So overall the highlight features of the smartphones are they have provided with you with three sensors and connectivity is 4G. And the battery, this is the highlighter features of the smartphone, that they have provided a large battery in this price range. The front camera is 8 megapixel and the main camera is 13 megapixel. The storage is 64 GB, but you can expand it up to the 512 GBs. The performance is Helio MediaTek A25 of processor with the RAM of 4 GB. And the display they have provided is HD with the display type of TFT. And design, they have provided you three color categories: white, ice and aqua blue. And the general features are Android, they have provided with your Android version 10. So that's all about the features and details of the smartphone. So next we will talk about its pricing. So the price of the smartphone is 8,499. In the current time, it may increase or decrease according to the demand in the market. It may decrease or increase in the near days. But currently you can also get the 10% discount in Flipkart by using ICICI Bank credit card. So buy now if you are interested in this smartphone. So that's all about the Tecno Spark 6 Go smartphone. We will meet in the next video. Till then, peace.